I'm going to show you guys how to make slime out of just a glue stick. It is easy, okay? So all you need is, which one is it? Yeah. Okay, all you need is a glue stick. Just a glue stick. And you might need your hands or like a piece, like your leg right here. You're gonna need that part. But it doesn't matter where you put it, but you're gonna have to put it somewhere. Okay, so let's get to the video. And we're back. So let's get started. So first you get your hand, your knee, or something. I'm gonna use my hand. So you open it, twist it to raise. Don't put it too high, and then you rub bits on your hand. Here, I want to show you. I think I'm gonna show you guys with the purple. I'm gonna show you guys with the purple one. So first, you open it. I'm doing a different one so y'all can see the purple. But there's some white on my hand now, but you guys can't see it. So you just rub it. You can't see it. Hold on. Yeah, yeah, be able to see. So dang. So yeah, rub it really hard. And my next video is gonna be when I show you guys how to make paper fingers. So yeah, now you guys can see all of that. So once you got all of that, just try to rub it to make it a lot. So as you can see, it's already like slime type. So then once you rub that, like swish it, see how it's flattened? It's just swish it. Just like that. Just smush it. As you can see, it's like around my hand. So just smush it, smush it, smush it. Okay, and now you grab both of your hands like this and just keep on doing it. And once you have your hand like that, then you keep going. Now, once you have your hands like that, once you start to make spider webs, that's when it's ready. Look at my hand. This side is covered, and this side is covered. Just keep going. But you see, once you start making spider webs, that's when you know it's ready. See when it's not sticky anymore? See where it stopped and it's all around. That's when you know it's ready. That's when you smear it. And then that's when you clap, smear, clap, smear, clap, smear, clap, 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 smear. And as you can see, then you just pick it up, some of it with your finger. It doesn't have to be all of it because it's going to take a long time. But if you want all of it, then go ahead and take your long, sweet time. Sit in there, just pick it. it doesn't take that long. It's like you're sewing because needles, the needle's your hand and see how it stretches. Then you put it back down. Then you grab another one to stretch. And last time it took me 2 days because I was because I was actually just editing my other video, but I didn't post it because it was ugly. So this is actually my first video. Just keep peeling. Okay, now I have this hand off, but I still have some on this hand, like on the browns. But I'm gonna get them, and I'm done with this hand. So yeah. So and this is what all of it came off of this hand, and some of it came off and some of this came off the middle of my hand on my left hand, and on my right hand it came off on the whole thing. So and this is what it looks like. Oh, it's so little, it's gonna break. It is very stretchy once you let's see. See, it's very stretchy, very stretchy, very stretchy. See, it stretches until it stretches, until it stretches, until it stretches, until it stretch, until it stretch, until it stretch, until it keeps stretching, until it stretch, until it breaks. It stretches very far. As you can see, it's like this far. Whoa! And it's still stretching. Okay, as you can see, that stretches very far. So the easiest way you can pick it off your hand is like when you already have like a little clob. You could just tap it and they stick to each other. Or just rub it. They will just stick right to each other. Just like this. So, to have all of that off, just up a little bit. So once you got it like that, then that's it. Okay, now once you have it, it's like this long. But I'm making more and more and more until I get a big glob. It kind of gets kind of sticky, but after a while it don't get sticky. See? It stretches very, very, very far. See, that's a long stretch. Long stretch. Long stretch. Says even a long stretch. Even longer. Even longer. Even longer. Even longer. Even longer. Y'all see that streak? Well, not the streak, but the slot. So, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.